Alright, let's see what we got here. More junk from eBay. If you've got eBay on tape on, so you know where it came from. Alright. Man, like I like to pack. Paper. Best packing there. Now hold that to just that. Sportster cam cover. Now it says 77 to 78, so we know what it is. There you go. One of those. So that means 77.8. The breather's here, and the early one is in the middle. Or on the other side. It's actually on the other side. It makes way for the shifting mechanism and the braking mechanism they had for the 75 and 6, or shifter mechanism. This one's for brake, the other one's for shifter. So when you buy this stuff on eBay, look for something that doesn't have any wear on the bushings here on the top. This one has a little bit of wear. Couldn't see it in the picture though, obviously, but see it has a little lip right there. So you look for stuff like that. Obviously make sure all the bushings are there. And if they don't look like they're too worn here, then usually the bushing bores are pretty good. So instead of fixing a cam cover, just go buy another one. It's cheaper. And this one looks pretty good. It's not all damaged through here. It looks pretty nice. You also want to look up in here where the mechanical advances go. It gets all chewed up in there. This one looks pretty good. Still got threads in the holes, so that's all a plus. So this is pretty nice. 79, they put a big hole right over here. And they shut it off here. Just your engine breather down here. So this is the 75 and 8. So it looks pretty good. And it's an xlch because there's no cutout in here for electric start. So it would be cut in here for electric start. So this is for a kickstart only bike. There you go. Good cover. So that's for the whole box. That's kind of a waste of a big box. But, well, I like good cam covers when I can get them. There you go. Alright. Bring it back. This is the other cam cover I bought a while back. So I had it buried over my racing stuff. So this is the same year cover, 77, 78. Because it has the breather on the outside edge. Or vent, it's actually a vent. It doesn't have the hole up here. But you can see that it has the cutout in here for the electric start. So that's the difference between an electric start and a kickstart light. See that square cut right there versus that cut. So that's your difference in your two covers. So when you're looking for one electric start, you got to make sure you got that in there. If you don't have that in there, then you're going to have to cut it in there. And like I said, they already got it pre-made, so all you do is grind it out, cut this out, match that curve, and then you have this. Because that's all it is. You just cut it. Same cover. Only difference. How it's machined. Other than that, they're the same identical part. Alright, that's it.